So, is 401k a retirement plan for employees or is it a tax deductible for employers? It's the question I get all the time. So, we're going to dive into it here with Earl the Money Coach. Give a follow, look at the description that can help you build your regular credit or get business funding. Or if you're looking just to start saving for the first time, check the descriptions. But let's break down 401ks. But before we get to that, I want people to understand, generally speaking, anything with three letters or three numbers is a tax deduction. You have your 401k, 403b. If you want to get a vehicle, it's a section 179. Life insurance is a section 162. Artwork is a section 408M. If you want to do for your IRAs, you have for businesses a SEP, SEP IRAs. So a lot of these things are used for tax deductions, tax breaks, tax cuts to help businesses really succeed. So with that being said, as a 401, is it really made for employees? Not necessarily. It's made as a deduction for their business, but it actually gives you guys a great chance and a great opportunity to start building something in a portfolio. So it's kind of a double-edged sword. But think of it like this. Your company you work for, they owe $1 million of taxes. What are they going to do? They're going to implement a 401k to be deducted with their CPAs and their legal team for finances. And the more people that put into that 401k, the more money that they're matching in the 401k allows them to have a bigger tax break to be able to deduct. Now, on the client side, which is the employees, you actually have the money that you could put inside a 401k to be able to grow for your retirement. But it was not necessarily meant to be your only retirement. It's a great helper. It's a great supplemental, meaning supplemental income. You put money into a 401k and you could withdraw from it during your retirement days. So yes, it's a great strategy to have, but it was not technically designed to be your only or sole purpose for retirement. How many people do you know have solely retired just off their 401k? This has been around for over 40 years, and even the creator, he himself, Ted, said that, look, I created a monster. I created a 401k that was not necessarily designed to be working the way it's currently working. So when you look at that, we're not saying it's good, we're not saying it's bad, we're just saying it needs to be multiple eggs in your basket. So why we talk about 401ks? They're made for retirement, so if you want to use it before retirement, you get taxed and penalized. If you want to take that money out early, that's where the penalties come. When they're growing their fees, there could be up to 17 fees inside your 401k, okay? Up to. Think about that. That's huge. But on the business side, the more folks that put into their 401ks is the more that businesses can deduct because they regularly have either vested or fully vested 401ks, which means if you're not vested from the start, the company's not matching you until you become fully vested. So there could be different implications through different companies, but generally speaking, when they're matching you or implementing a 401k strategy, then they are what? They're able to lower their taxes because they're actually implementing a discount. They're implementing that discount code. When you go shopping online, you put the discount code to save money, where your business is putting in that discount code to be able to save money on their taxes. So that could come from your 401ks, your 403bs. If you're in the government, you have a 401a or a 457. If you're in the military, you have your TSP. Different kind of thing. You see, all these are three numbers or three letters. So remember that. Not saying 401ks are bad for you. I'm saying is you have to understand what 401ks are used for and how you could better your own financial situation. Think about this. Go to your job and ask the CEO of your company, are they putting their retirement in a 401k? Most likely, they're going to laugh at you. Why would I put my retirement into a discount code? Does that make sense? Obviously not. So the question is, how do you make your own 401k? How do you make your own strategy that could work like a 401k? You have different things. You could have your stocks. You could have bonds. Some people go through insurances. Some folks use annuities. Different ways, different strategies. I always recommend the fixed index annuity because fixed index annuities allow you to accumulate money like a 401k, but instead of being for the job, it's just for yourself. Instead of Social Security being for everyone, the annuity is just for yourself, where you could create your own lifetime income, your own supplemental income in a fixed index annuity. So that's a little bit about 401ks. I'm going to actually dive more into that. You'll go see my playlist for 401ks. But make sure if you want more information to follow me, Earl The Money Coach, like, comment, subscribe, and definitely check the description below as I have how you could get $150 to build your own credit, or you could get $100,000 plus to start your own business. And if you just need help financially, I have health saving accounts in the descriptions below, and also protecting yourself. So check those out, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.